Welcome back. You can set up a contest for your affiliates to promote your product. And to do that, you are going to go to your vendor tab and you're then going to click on affiliate contests. What you're then going to do is click new contest. You're going to then choose the offer that you have created. Now, if the contest is going to apply to all of the products within a specific funnel, you're going to leave the default setting, which is going to be all products. You can choose a specific product within a specific offer or funnel. You are then going to give your contest a name. You will then choose the basis for the contest. So what you're going to do is you can determine that the contest will be based on total revenue, or numbers of sales, or number of buyers. The default setting is always going to be total revenue. What you're then going to do is write a description which is going to be available to the affiliates when they see the contest. Now, what's important will be the start date and end date for your contest. Your affiliates will then be able to see this and they'll know then when they should increase their efforts. What you're then going to write in are going to be the maximum number of winners for this contest. And your affiliates will then be able to see this to know if they are within range of winning the contest and or on the leaderboard. So we're going to write in the number 3. We can also choose the maximum number of people that will be displayed. And for the sake of this video, we are going to use 10. We can choose to make this contest public or private. For the sake of this video, we're going to make the contest public. And we can choose to allow certain affiliates to be considered together as a winner to place in the contest if they choose to work with a team. And to do this and to allow this for this particular offer, we can toggle this on or we can leave it off, which means that the default will be that an individual will have to stand on their own results. What you can do then is click and create your contest. And our contest is then created. And when the affiliate comes back to look at their link, they'll then notice then that there is a contest available. That affiliate will then be able to find the contest in the contest area. And by doing a search, the affiliate will be able to find the contest in the contest area for the affiliate tab. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.